I was in college. And suddenly in my senior year, I started to slide. I couldn't turn in my homework on time. I was missing class. I was losing my ability to understand. And I thought, okay, it's senior year, maybe I just have to push through. But then after I graduated, I lost vision in my left eye. And so the neuro-ophthalmologist I went to diagnosed it as optic neuritis. And she said, optic neuritis is one of the first signs of multiple sclerosis. And my life came to a crashing halt.
At the age of 15 months, I was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes. I'm on a regimen where I take 4 to 5 shots a day, multiple blood tests to keep me healthy and happy and an active member of the community. I was a lawyer in Philadelphia, and after 10 years of practice, I wanted to do something else. At that point, I wanted to open a store. I wanted to open a little pet store, and that's how I came to Spots, the place for paws. I love what I do. I love dealing with the customers and buying the products and helping the animals.
This is Brittany, my 5-year-old. She has a congenital heart defect called trichosarteriosis. While being pregnant, they told us the first breath that she would take would probably be her last. She was immediately taken into the intensive care unit. At 5 days old, she had her first major open heart surgery. She has had 2 open heart surgeries and 8 heart caths.
Most recently, I had terrible sciatica, and I had to have a 6-day steroid pack in order to treat it. Without insurance, that would not have happened. And I would be laid up in bed, unable to move because the pain was so bad. But I took the steroid pack, I'm walking again, I'm moving, I'm able, I am capable. It's wonderful. And I don't even know how much it would have cost without insurance. It was covered by Medicaid.
As a person with diabetes, it's really important that I have comprehensive access to health care. The Affordable Care Act for me was a lifesaver. It was a game changer. It allowed me to pursue my dream of what I enjoy doing. It allowed me to help the people with the dogs and the cats and answer their questions and feel connected with my customers. I love doing what I do.
When she was born, the people from CHOP helped us apply for Medicaid. It gives me the chance and the opportunity to fight with my daughter, to keep her healthy, to have her seen whoever she wants to see, wherever she needs to see. Just keep fighting against this disease because she didn't choose to be not healthy. If I lose coverage, I can lose my child, you know, and it's unfair for me not to be able to sleep at night.
The fact is we're all healthy until we're not. I was healthy up until 15 months old, and then I wasn't. And for the rest of my life, I have to deal with this.
I want her to reach every single milestone that comes ahead of her. I want to do everything to ensure that she is healthy and good.
You never know what the next thing will bring. I didn't have plans to have MS. I truly didn't believe this would happen to me. It was like my whole life tumbled. And I'm still trying to figure out how to pick up the pieces. So don't take your health for granted. Don't take your quality of life for granted. Anything can happen.